Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your Windows 11 run super fast. So whether your PC feels slow, apps take too long to open, or gaming performance is dropping, this Windows 11 tips will make your system faster and smoother. So the first step that you can do is disable the startup programs. You can press Control, Shift and X on your keyboard to open the task manager like this. And then go to the startup apps in here. And then you can just disable the apps that you don't use daily. So for example, I'm going to disable one of this one. For example, you can click on disable. And the next step here is you can go to the settings of your Windows PC, go to the systems option, power, and in here you need to change the power mode to the best performance like I do here. And this will give your CPU maximum power when needed. And the next step, clean temporary files by going to storage. So in here you can go to the settings and find storage option, this one. And then click on this temporary files. And after that, you'll see the options to remove junk data. And this will free up space and improve system speed. And the next one, turn off visual effects. So you can just search for adjust the appearance of window, and then select adjust for best performance or customize by disabling animations, and this will reduce CPU and RAM usage. And don't forget to always keep Windows 11 and drivers up to date, because updated drivers and also this will improve compatibility and performance, especially for gaming and productivity apps. You can also install an SSD if you're still on HDD. It will make your Windows 11 lightning fast. And that's how you can make Windows 11 run faster and boost CPU performance. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!